Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you had a fantastic day. Today is July the 22nd of 2025, and we have made it to day number 95 in this My Legion Secrets. We almost made it to our first 100 days doing this challenge, guys. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, what we're doing is we're using one offer from ClickBank, from a service called ClickBank. We're also using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets for traffic. Okay. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full time income doing so. All right. So, like I said, if you have no idea what I'm talking about or what's going on, go back to the first video of this video series so you can kind of get up to speed and see our journey and see what we're doing here. Okay. So we're on day number 95, and I'm just going to show you guys a few things, and I'll be out of your hair. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So this is what your back office is going to look like. Okay, when you come into your back office every single day, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads, new leads coming in every single day. Okay, now what separates the two, or however many leads that you're getting, is however many accounts that you have. Okay, the more accounts that you have, the more leads that you're going to get. Okay, so if you have more than one account, on that second account, you will receive 200 leads. Okay. So any accounts after that one account, if you start getting multiple accounts, you're going to have 200 leads for every single one of your accounts that you have, but your last account that you have. Okay. Right now, I have 8 different accounts that I use. Okay. And you can get as many as you want, and you can get as less as you want. Okay. And just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a 3.5 years, guys, and going. Okay. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. But this is cold traffic. All right. These people have no idea who we are. It's our job to warm these people up. So you got to come in every day, and you got to send out emails every single day, okay, to get these people attention. And then once you do, they'll start trusting you, and then eventually they'll start buying from you, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to use this system, okay, for whatever business opportunity offers that you have. This will be the service that you can do, and you can, earn income or see results with this service, okay? So the main, so you're going to see these tabs right up here at the top. Now everything is going to look the same. Okay, when you create your account, everything is going to look the same, but the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay, the main tab you're going to be hanging out at is this mailing system. Okay, this is where we're going to send all your emails at. Okay. So you come down here, you click on select all, however many emails that you have, you want to select them all so you can get ready to send out one email blast to all of them. Okay. So right now, this email is going to go out to over 184,000 people. And then you want to come down here. You're going to have a subject line, and then you're also going to have a body at the text right here. Okay. Now I've already sent out my email already. Now you can come in every single day, every 24 hours, and you can send out your email. You can send out one email every single day. Okay. Which is pretty cool. All right. So let's go ahead and come back up here to the top. All we need is a good subject line. The offer that we're using for this challenge is going to be social sales rep. Okay. So this is one of the top business opportunity offers on ClickBank. All right. So we're going to use this one for the series. So you can find this on ClickBank. If you go to clickbank.com, sign up for a free account. It doesn't cost you anything at all. You go to the e-business, e-marketing section. You're going to find this offer here. Okay. Now, the cool thing about these business opportunity offers, and you don't have to do this one, okay? There's other offers on there that you can promote as well, and you can use the same method with any other offer out there, okay? Now, the other offers do also have free email swipes. So this offer here has free email swipes, so we don't have to go out and have to try to create an email or something like that. We could just use the free email swipes that already come with the service, okay? Because these are known to convert, all right? Now, if you want to get out and use ChatGPT or whatever service that you want to use, you can do that as well, and that will work too, okay? Just as long as it's a business opportunity email, it will work for you, okay? So let's go ahead and go down here, and there's going to be 20 different emails that you're going to be able to use, okay? What I like to do is I'll go through each and every one of these emails. I'm going to send every one of these emails out. When I get to 20, I'm just going to start back at 1. Go down to 20, start back at 1. And you just rinse and repeat all these emails over and over and over again. And then once these people start seeing these emails and start catching on, they're going to start purchasing from you. Okay. So let's go ahead and pick an email to send out. Let's go ahead and send this one out right here. So let's go ahead and go to where it says the subject line. All we got to do is take it. Let me show you how easy this is. Control C. We're just going to take that subject line, come over here to the mailing system and Control V. Boom, super easy. Come down here to the body. Make sure you click on perfect timing. That's very important. And you come down, we're going to grab this body of text here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and grab this. That's a pretty long email. Okay, and let's go ahead and Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system, and we want to Control A and then Control V. It just takes, for me to send out 8 different accounts, guys, it takes me about 5-10 minutes. Like this is doesn't take you a lot of time at all. Down here at the bottom where it says signature, you want to take signature out and you want to put in either your name or management, whichever one. Okay, you want to come back up here to where it says first name, and we want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, so we want to come here, take out this name right here, and then Control V, right? And these two bold texts where it says hit this link to apply and read here to learn more, we want to turn these into clickable links. Okay. These are call to action sentences that basically they're telling us where to create the link. Okay. Which is awesome. Right. So let's go ahead and go here and let's go ahead and take this and we want to make this a clickable link. So click on the link tab. You want to come back here underneath every email that you have in this back office of your offer. Okay. In the affiliate section, there's gonna be a link below every email. Okay, now these links go with this. These links are tailored to go with the email. Okay, this is why it converts so good because it's congruent, right? So all you have to do is come here and Control C, grab this, and what we want to do is you want to take out where it says your ClickBank ID. You want to put in the one that you came up with whenever you started your ClickBank account. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay. So let's come here and then we're going to take this out and we want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID. Don't put in mine, guys. Put in yours. Okay. So let's go and go here. Let's take this one and we want to hit that link tab, Control V. We want to come over here and then take this out right here. All right. This stuff is just super easy to do, guys. Okay. And then boom. All right. So that's got that. So now we got 2 clickable links. All right. I'm just showing you how easy it is to send out an email. It just takes you just a few minutes. You can either use 18 or 16, whichever one you want. So this email looks good as we're addressing our prospect by their first name. Hi, Jermaine. Hi, John. Hi, whatever their name is. And it goes into the email on the job description. Okay. Lets them know, however many hours they can be available each week. If they want to learn more, they can click here. It's a call to action, and then they can get in. This email gets into a little bit more details, and then down here at the bottom, there's another call to action button where it says hit this link to apply. Okay. That's pretty much it. You come down here and you click on, there's 2 buttons. The one that says send now and one that says preview. You click on the preview. And when you preview, it pulls up your email in real time. So that way you can test these links to make sure that they work. Okay. So that's very important that you hit both of these links in the preview tab so you can make sure that these links go to your affiliate page. Okay. So all our job is to get our prospect, okay, interested in our email and have them hit our affiliate link. And then once they go to our landing page on our affiliate link is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. We don't really have to do anything from that point. All we got to do is get them to that affiliate link. And then that affiliate link is going to tell them the job description and let them know how they can sign up and how they can get started earning and making money. Okay. So all you got to do once you verify both links work, you come back here and you click on send now. Boom. That's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system and using the offer from ClickBank, right? It's just super easy to do. If you can copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. It's just super easy to do. Now, if you guys want to get started with this service, it does cost $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service. I did leave a link below this video. So all you got to do is come here, grab this link right here, or click on this link. Okay, hover over it, click on it. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret landing page, and you're going to be able to sign up. Okay, now how you get multiple accounts is you sign up for one, and then once you sign up for one, you're going to want to log out. Once you sign up and you get in your back office and you get your affiliate link, you're going to take your affiliate link. You're going to Control C, okay, and then sign out of this account that you just made, right? And then you want to use this link to sign up under your own account. Okay, so however many accounts that you want to have, make sure that you're signing up under yourself using a different email address. You can use the same credit card, but just use a different email. Okay. So that's very important if you want to get multiple accounts. Okay. And I wouldn't run out and grab 8, 10 accounts, right? I would at least start off, with at least 2 or 3 accounts. Okay. If you do have the budget, okay, to get those accounts and keep those, if you can, for a couple $100 or a few $100 a month, until you start making money, by any means do so. Okay. But if not, if you're just living from paycheck to paycheck and just trying to make some extra money, I would start off with maybe 2 or 3 accounts. Okay. 5 is going to be the sweet spot. Okay. That's when you're going to start, you can probably start making money a little bit faster than what you want. All right. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the system. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. ClickBank is a free platform that you can go to get started. And you can get started working immediately with ClickBank. That's why I'm using this product for this series, because it's super easy to do. Okay. So today is the 22nd. It will just hit midnight, but it's the 22nd still. Okay. And today we did earn a rebuild today. Okay. Now that rebuild came from a sale that we got 3 days ago. Okay. I've been talking about this in the previous videos, and I knew this was coming on today. Okay. So we don't actually need to go in detail on where that came from, because some of these sales, they come from rebuilds and things like that. So we just want to, I just wanted to show you guys that what this looks like. Okay. So if today we are on social sales rep. Okay. This is the offer that we're doing for this series. And these other offers that I have, I do YouTube stuff and everything like that with videos. So these offers just come from free traffic. Okay. So this is the one that we're using for the My Legion Secrets Challenge. Okay. This is top offer where it says social S rep. All right. So today we get 788 hops, 757 unique hops, and 1 order form impression. Okay. This is someone that went to the checkout page. They were getting ready to buy, but for some reason they didn't buy, or some reason they did buy. Okay. For our luck today, we did not get a sale. Okay. So no biggie, but we did get a rebill from a few days ago. So we did earn money today. Okay. And I did send out my emails tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come back in here and just show you guys the results and see what kind of traffic that we have and see how we did. Okay. So that these are the results from today, guys. Not bad. Not, too bad. We did get a rebill. Okay. So today just wasn't a total blank day. But we're back on track. I know a few days that we had got behind a little bit on emails, but we are back on track. And this has been pretty much our algorithm right here. Okay. We've been either seeing a sale every day, or every other day, or every 2 days. That, and with this series, in the beginning, this wasn't happening. Okay. We may have got one sale here and then one sale next week. We may have got one sale here, one in 5 days, and as we got further along in this system, because right now we're on month 4, as you can see, the sales are starting to get closer and closer. So eventually these sales are going to get closer and closer and closer, and we're going to make money every single day. Okay. You just watch. So this is why, I wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Okay. Let me know what you think about this stuff. I encourage you to subscribe so you can see this journey to the end and see if we're going to earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. Okay. And we're on month number 4. So we got 6 more to go. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. We have about, let's see, 7 more to go. Okay. 7 months more to go. So follow along what we're doing. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be a great challenge. We're going to come in. I'm going to show you guys results every single day, whether I'm making money or not, because eventually when I come in, we're going to make money every single day. Okay. I guarantee you that. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion Secrets. And also, I wanted to show you the results on what we're getting. Like I said, it looks like our algorithm is every 2 days. We're not going more than 2 days without seeing a sale or seeing a commission or something like that, or some kind of rebill or something. All right. Which is really good, because that's just letting me know we're getting closer and closer to our goal of getting to a sale every day. Okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys.